Today my daddy took my bike, removed the little wheels. So 4 wheels became just 2. How different it now feels. At first I wobbled everywhere, but Daddy was there to help. I got more and more confident until I did it by myself. Bicycle, bicycle, learn to ride on just 2 wheels. When you try something new, it takes time to know what to do. And keep trying is the clue. It's the same for